Hey guys, so I came to the event today with expectations, I guess, thinking that it was going to be more intense and more, I'd have to show my vulnerable side a lot more, which I guess I didn't. It was a fantastic event. The energy in the room was amazing. Met lots of like-minded people and it was all positive. It was all about building each other up and collaborating with other people as well, which I think I'm in business and I think it can be a scary place being an entrepreneur and building a business yourself. So what I found collaborating with people has been amazing in the last kind of 6 months, and this event really shows women helping each other. Now I know there were some men here as well, but my table was all women and we were all helping each other and chatting, and we all have the same problems. It's like in business, everybody has the same problems. So here we all have the same problems, and it was lovely to meet people and chat and have a great day and filled with positivity. So I'm going now and I'm like, yay, I got this. It's a great event. So thank you, Nicola.